Lexus 300. Okay, this comes with the beep sound, and this doesn't come with the beep sound. You can actually set it at the door lock settings. I'll show you how. First, you go to setup. Then, vehicle setting. Vehicle customization. Door lock setting. Lock or unlock feedback volume. We turn it on. And the lights you can choose to off or on as well. I try to turn it off. Okay, let's try. Okay, now the sound is on and the light is off. Let's see, we unlock the car. You can hear the beep sound, but the lights is off. So this is how you turn on and off in the setting. How about the smart entry and start system? We try to turn it off first. Okay, I turn the feedback lights back on. Okay, now let's see what is smart entry and smart system when it's off. Now the smart entry and start system is off. It means that you need to unlock the car using the key. You can't unlock like that. Okay, you need to use the key to unlock. And when you start the car, even though the key is in the car, you're unable to start. You need to put the key near the push start button. Then only you can start the car. Let's get back to the menu. Door lock settings. Smart entry on. And select doors to unlock. What is this? Let's try. We change to driver's door. Let's see what's the difference. Okay, now the smart entry is already on, so I don't have to use the key to unlock the car. The driver's door already unlocked, but others are locked because I set drivers only. And I don't have to put my key near the push start button to start the car. Now, change it back to all doors. For all doors, when you unlock the car, others are unlocked together. And what is remote to press unlock? I try to turn it on now. Let's see. So I press unlock once. This door is already unlocked, but only the driver's side. Two step means that I press 2 times to unlock all doors. Auto lock shift from P, auto unlock shift to P. I think this two is very straightforward. Just now was off. I turn it on now. Now at P position, and the door is unlocked. I shift to D. Alright, it's already locked. And I shift to P, and it's unlocked. Okay, speed sensitive auto locking. When the car reaches certain speed, it will lock itself. But if you shift away from P, means that when you shift to drive, it's already locked. So, do you think this is necessary? For example, if I turn it on, and now I'm at D position, and the car is locked. When I want to drop off or pick up someone, I will unlock the car manually. After that, because I'm remain in the drive, it means that it will auto lock when I reach certain speed. So for this speed sensitive auto locking is still relevant even though you already turn on the auto lock by shift from P. And the last one, auto unlock by driver door. Just now was off, I turn it on now. All the doors are locked. Off the engine. Open. Not only the driver's side door is unlocked, others too. So it means that as I turn it off, now I off the engine. Only the driver's side. The others remain locked. Lexus door lock settings is very similar with the Toyota Alphard and Wellfire, which I did before in my previous video. You can check here. Thank you.